Oh no, this is gonna die, but it's Quinn's birthday.
Cheers.
Cheers.
My firstborn. Happy
To Quinn'S.
Yes, sir.
Oh. Yeah.
Nice. Oh, this is awesome.
Oh, that's
this is so cool.
His birthday said, where do you want to go? I said, I want to go see
Go
Jenny
behind
and
Quinn.
Jen.
Yeah.
Thank you. And you know this is perfect because he doesn't like cake.
Dad trying uni for the first time.
I'm trying to.
Or second time.
Well, no. But the consistency is something I'm worried about. So,
I had it with rice last time
know,
though.
rice,
Yeah.
if I have it again, you have to cut.
Oh, Jesus. I really hope you don't.
Are you driving or am I?
No, you can't even drive.
Well, technically I'm not supposed to. Brother, sister, trip to the DMV.
Real question is, where are you getting food? Because I'm starving.
Beautiful day we're having. Time check 6 points. I'm not sure if I have enough points to get my license. So we'll see how this goes. I've never seen it without a line. I spoke too soon. What number are you? Mission complete. We got new licenses. You went from Justin Bieber to serial killer.
What?
Got some frontline for the pups.
Got a sweet new toy.
Got a sweet toy I can't wait for them to play with.
You put treats in there, I think, too.
Where are my puppies? We got you a present. He looks really scared.
He is.
I have missed breakfast at home.
Breakfast quesadilla, baby.
Woo woo woo.
Yeah, we'll cut it and share it.
That
Excuse me, you're in my way. Chorizo, jalapeno, onion, egg. Shut up.
Oh man. Oh my gosh, Nero.
Get me that.
Did you hear that?
Yes. Work, right?
Cheers. I've gotten into the habit of cheersing all my
Cheers.
food.
Mmm.
Oh yeah.
Bad news is, I can make one more onion and pepper.
Round 2. Look who wants some. Look at these beggars.
No one cares.